Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Taylor Monet. It's Tuesday. Previously y'all seen me making my juices. I'm gonna talk a little bit about that later on in the video, but I'm super excited for these packages. A pre-birthday gift for myself. So that's what I got myself, and now I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, do a little ASMR, and we're gonna get into it. A pink iPad, period. The pink one that just came out. I got the 256 gigabyte iPad. Yes, and I got a pencil to go with it. Due to the fact, like I said, I am going to be creating designs using I forgot that app, but also I have Illustrator and stuff as well, so I'm going to be using that. This Apple Pencil is going to help me wonders. So yeah, let me go ahead and take a picture. I got my name at the back of it engraved. I wish it was bigger, but it's like small. But it's super cute. So whenever I have something else interesting, I'll definitely hit you guys back. Love y'all. Hey guys, what's up? I don't know. Today is whatever day you see on the screen. So I was washing my hair. I gotta give them a little backstory, okay? Say hey. As you can see, she has stuff on her face, right? So basically, the other day we went to Lake After Hour Urgent Care, and they tested her for the flu, COVID, and RSV. And they tested her due to the fact her daycare called me and said that she had a fever. So I took her to the urgent care, and they said she was positive for the flu. So I took her, I got the flu medicine, did all that. I started giving her the flu medicine that same day they prescribed it. Currently we are in the hospital because that same day she started taking the medicine. Later on that night, when I was giving her a bath, I started noticing bumps on her face. So I took her, I'm like, maybe she's having an allergic reaction. That was around Friday. Today's Monday. So earlier today, her daycare called me, her teacher, and told me that a lot of kids in her class have bumps around their face due to the fact that it's some kind of hands, mouth, and feet disease. So she has the flu, and she has the hands, feet, and mouth thing, I guess, and she has the flu. But I'm going to ask them if they can test her for the flu again, just to make sure that she does have it. Pick that up, baby. Pick up the tablet. So we're currently here, and basically we're here to see what the ending result is of this whole situation. So I was doing a video on my hair. I had to stop doing the video on my hair so I could come here to the hospital to see what's going on. So currently that's where we are. That's where we're at.
When I came back, or either that morning. But even if you need me to be coming to get her on Saturday mornings before you go to work, or Friday evenings, or however you want to do it, that's fine. Just let me know. Do it. So I know I can get on Saturdays though.
Okay. It's not that I need help, but it'll be helpful. Okay, so I'm back. I'm back. Okay. Oh yeah, I wanted to show y'all this, what I got. And this is my first time ordering from Ego, so I hope I like it. I ordered some shoes and I ordered a bag. It's cute. I don't have a green bag, so this will be the first green bag in my collection. You know, like the viral bag with the little mirror, the heart mirror. It's like the Balenciaga bag. Let me show them first. Super cute. Heavy, super cute. I like it. So I got this green purse. Different. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. Box. Wow, these are super cute. Oh my gosh. I'm becoming a grown woman at 25. These are so cute. I hope I can fit them. Yeah. Oh no. Ugh. The hell? Okay, let's try with the sock off. Because that sock is kind of thick. Y'all, these hurt. Okay, that's a lot better. Yeah, that fits. Oh my god. They're comfortable, but they hurt. Oh! Wait, hold on. Hold on. I feel like one of them bigger than the other one. These hurt so bad. They do not feel good. They are so cute. So cute. But they hurt bad. Like it's uncomfortable. Okay. They must be meant to hurt if they were only 15 bucks. But this is the shoe. It's almost like a replica of the Bottega. That's why I got them. I don't think Bottega feel like this. You saying yeah, you gonna fall your butt down. Whoa. Okay, get out. Get out of them. You gonna fall. Come on. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm recording on my phone just because I feel like I need to record. I'm about to wash these dishes right here and then I'm gonna explain some stuff. And then we're gonna do what I'm gonna do next. I'm going to try to record a long vlog, like for real, in-depth, entertaining vlog. I need to get my content back where it needs to be, for real. So this vlog is gonna be the first vlog that's actually, I'm gonna try and do some type of interesting stuff involved. Okay guys, so what we're about to do now No. Anybody can guess what this is in the comments, I'll cash app you $10. It's a comforter, because you messed up my other one. Hey y'all, what's up? I look a hot mess, but I do not care. I'm finna go to this restaurant by myself. I never tried this place before. It looks like a lot of people that I'm not even gonna speak on it. I'm gonna sit at the bar though. I don't care that I look a mess. I don't be caring about that. Like, I just got sweatpants on. I don't care. I'm gonna just try it out. And it is what it is. I didn't get to get my, as you can see, this is not done. I'll just wait till next week, Friday, to get my nails done, but I got my toes done.
So you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pity party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know.
I got my
but I
toes
know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want, you can't be taking up with everybody.
Haters wanna like me.